Welcome to the practical lesson. We will be cutting today our classic trousers without pleats. This is 100% wool with plait pattern, so we will kill two birds with one stone. We need some tools such as measuring tape, chalk, brush, some rulers and scissors of course. Starting from the right angle. Leave 2-3 cm allowance from the selvage, so you can have pocket cut in one with front detail. In the right angle, put point 1. For finding our hip line, we need to take body rise measure divided by 1.5, square to the right horizontal line. That is point 2. From point 2, square down, body rise divided by 4, and we get point 3, that's our sit line. On the waistline, mark hip divided by 4.3, point 4. From point 4, square down, and on crossing with hip line, mark it 5. On crossing with sit line, mark 6. Continuing on crease line. From point 3, take hip measure divided by 7. Move on to the inside leg seam. For this, from point 7, mark it to the right, hip divided by 7. That is our point 8. On the waistline, find the center of the trousers. Mark it point 9. Through these points, draw vertical line. Move on to the front crotch line. Draw front fork through points 5 and 8. Upper part of our trousers is ready. Now we need to work with bottom. From point 9, mark length of your trousers without waistband. That is going to be point 10. Through this point, draw a horizontal line in both directions. Now we need to figure out width of hem. It depends on different things, such as fashion, hip measure, shoes, or even chosen fabric. I use proportional calculations. From point 10 to the right and left, I take hip divided by 10. That is how I got point 11 and 12. Moving on to the knee line. From point 10, mark length divided in half. Point 13. Through this point, draw a horizontal line. Connect points 8 and 11 with help of ruler or measuring tape. Then 3 and 12. Points 14 and 15 appears on the crossing with the knee line. From these points, you need to curve these lines inwards approximately 1.5 to 2 centimeters. Draw your side seam and inside leg seam. In points 12 and 11, draw right angle. Then join all other points. Our final step is to calculate our waist. We need to kinda hold up it from side and crotch seams for required amount. Our front detail is done. This pattern is without allowances. If you want to include them before, you are totally free to do it. Cut your front detail. We need to do it separately because pattern should match afterwards. Let's speed this up. Match pattern from top to bottom. Now we are ready to cut it.